Morning guys, right, so today we are going to be taking the rear bumper off of this. It is a Mk7 Golf Estate. Hoping it's going to be quite a simple job. I'm going to take the bumper off because we're going to be putting a tow bar on it. So hoping it's kind of like the old V6, whereas it's got a couple of fasteners here, a few down there, and then a few underneath. So first things first, because we think it's going to be similar, we're going to be looking at taking the lights out. So take a little panel off, see what toys we have in here. How does it connect to come off? Is anyone's guess? Okay, so we'll have it to play with it. I'm guessing the little red thing just like pops out, so we'll get a screwdriver on that and wing that off, and hopefully the light comes out. So use a little pick just to pull that back, and what that lets me do is, in here is a little tab that you have to push down. So just down in there, so push that down, connector comes out, and wing that off. Right, light is out. Yep, so little TX25, a bit in here. Let's undo these, 1, 2, 3 of them. On each side, be a few more underneath somewhere. Do this side, then we can send it up. Get in. Right. Millions of them under here as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 on each side, I think. So from what I can see, there should be a little cover that goes in here, and that's where the tow bar and I think pops out, which is good. That means there shouldn't be any extra cutting involved. Hopefully. But time will tell. That's 4 off of that side. Might even treat it to a bit of a bath later. Right, that's him out. It's quite solid on there. Just them little things out as well. Looks like it. What have we got there? Okay, kind of looser, that's what we want. Maybe not that loose. Hey ho. Apparently this is just like pushed in and needs pulling off. Don't think there's anything else. So that's all this. That's all loose. Are they lights or are they just reflectors? They're just reflectors. Well, I think. Go down. Right, so things have got a bit more in depth. There is, as you can see, a little bolt hiding there. which I didn't originally see. Causing me all sorts of problems, so one on each side, we'll get them out. It's a bit hard to see with my sunglasses on before because the sun was out and in my eyes, and with all the glare it does make things a bit tricky sometimes, but hey ho, it's starting to come loose. And where is it? There it is on this one. Hiding out the way. Question is, what else is there? Right, said thread. Should now make that little bit a bit loose. Well, there we go. So, I think now it just pops off. Now there's a bit more movement. Okay, so yeah, a bit of massaging and out my fingernail. There we go. Right. So we're taking off a bit more than we needed to. Let's take that out before it falls out. There we go. Job you're good in. Maybe. Oops. Yeah. Okay. And we're off. Okie dokie. So yeah, did I need to take that off? Probably not, but it did save me messing around with all them clips, and it's easy to put back on. So same sort of thing as a Passat. 4 bolts there, only got 3 on that side. They are 13, so we get a socket and we pull that off and see what's what.